Do you want to talk to us now that we have no audio? Alright, I got some new batteries in that light there. Can you turn off that laser that I just turned on? Are you with us? Come on down. You're the next contestant on
Ashmore Estates.
Ashmore Estates. Let's turn it into the dead room. No pun intended, I guess. You might as well go ahead and just turn that damn thing off.
No, I thought I did.
It's still red.
There it went.
Or did the ghost turn it back on? Show us some signs you're still here. We don't have the audio on anymore because we're out of card.
Filled it.
Here, I'll tell you what, I'll even turn off my thermal can.
I guess they all went to bed.
Did you guys go to bed on us? I mean, really? Why don't you show these people that you can do whatever you want? Yeah. You got the power. We're just here to absorb what you want to show us or tell us. Wow, this is disappointing at the end of the night. Usually you guys are having a big old party down here. What happened to running in and out of both rooms? Are you tired of doing that? You were doing that the last time we were here. Wow. What happened to that rush of cold air that goes in and out of these rooms, Mateo? It's crunch time. We're in the fourth quarter. Third period of the hockey game here. It's time to score.
Excuse me.
Because once we shut down, who knows when we're coming back to see you. And we can't tell your story if you don't talk to us now. You got the dead rooms going on now, man.
Yeah.
Maybe we should just crawl in that hole right there, man. Are you in the hole? Are you hiding in the hole? Are you hiding in the corners? Where are you at? If you don't come out and talk to us, we can't tell your story to others. Don't you want to be remembered? You don't want to be remembered?
Just lost focus.
I mean, you're running out of time to tell us your story. That better be full body apparition.
It was. I saw his reflection, but I don't know. I guess he's gonna start doing rounds.
Probably. Huh. Well, we had a little bit of something for a little bit, but
Yeah.
I guess Ashmore Estates residents went to bed or something.
Must be their bedtime.
Past bedtime, huh? Sorry. We were just doing everything
Yeah.
What the hell is that hissing noise?
It's a demon.
Well, we tried. Yeah.
We tried. We did that much.
I would say it was more active the last time than this time.
I think you're right. I do think you're right.
I really believe the activity was higher the last time we were here.
Does seem that way. I don't know though, you never know. Go through the footage and maybe find a bunch of stuff that we just never, that we overlooked or just didn't notice. Or...
Yeah, who knows? Who knows? It's hard to say. Huh. There is a load over here. Did you see this?
Yeah, I did notice it was looking dimmer each time I was coming around then.
Yeah, it seems there is a load.
But it's like just absorbing it and not doing anything with it.
Yeah. Are you trying to manifest? Are you trying to appear for us before we leave? All right.
Alrighty.
We'll shut her down.
Shut her down.